would you normally do with an orange if you wanted to eat an orange?
I would peel it with my hand. Can I use this one?
Yeah. So make sure that your knives are away from you.
Okay.
Bisecting it. So you have a family full of people who want oranges, and you only have one orange to feed 10 people. What would you do?
This could work. Yeah. Take a bite out of that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Great.
So you want to do the other side?
This is good.
Okay.
So we've got some orange medley fun shapes. We'll put that aside, and then I'll show you what I would do with the orange. You want to just do these kinds of segments, which is really good because actually what a lot of people, what they do is they cut down longitudinally rather than cross-sectionally, and what you did here is you're able to like bite like that. So you could do that. So again, I would go with the claw hand and just slice a little bit, and then you can press down, and then exactly what you did. And you have your segments this way that are even. Another way, so this would all be segmented like this, rather than the other way. If you cut it this way, you have the fibrous middle. The other way, what you can do with this is, I would have started with this first, is cut the ends off. And what you can do to make an elegant presentation is cut the ends off and dissect out the center, the core of the orange, and what you end up with is a nice fruit cup using the rind, the orange rind. You can put the orange segments, and then if you want to add like blueberries or kiwi or strawberries or raspberries, then all of a sudden you have a very nice, elegant fruit cup that people can serve in a bowl.
Wow.
So that's another way of presenting an orange.